Tinitikman niya yung kulay.
Yeah. Okay. We have Chinese broccoli with all the garlic. Yummy. Look at this. Green again, no?
Pupunta kami ng casino. Ayan. Pupunta kami ng casino, guys. Busy? Busy? Wala. May in-order ka ba daw last time na gusto ni hindi niya ma-order? Hindi namin mahanap yung order na ito. Ito yung menu ng casino na Lotus.
Alex.
Oh, so dami tayo. Kakain kami dito sa Niagara. Ng pagkain sa Chinese. Mayroon dito sa loob. So, i-try natin kung masarap o hindi. For now, tubig muna. Ready na.
Hello, everybody. If you wanna join us, it's a good restaurant for Chinese food and casino. If you wanna join, I'll let you know what's if the food is delicious. Okay? Please.
So, titikman ni Chris kung masarap yung tikman mo yung tinitikman niya yung kulay.
Yeah. Okay. We have Chinese broccoli with all the garlic. Yummy. Look at this. Green again, no? And crunchy. I'm gonna bite one for you.
Okay,
Look how crunchy it is. Delicious. It's my favorite. We order some soup. Look at the soup. Brisket soup. Yummy. Delicious. I'm gonna try it too.
Alright.
Hold on. Some pork. Oh, look at the noodles. I noticed some Chinese people, they don't cut the noodles, eh? Filipino, they always cut the noodles when you cook them. Chinese people, they don't. See how continued that? Then you have to cut it. Use your fork to cut it. Yeah? See? It's really long. See? Take time. And then the soup. I'm gonna put the soup. And look at the meat. Ooh, look at the fat. It's not fat, that's the cartilage, so they're healthy. And then the soup. Look about that soup. I love the soup. It's really tasty. Plus they have lots of meat, oh. Look at that. It's like they're not cheap with meat. They put a lot of meat. See? See? A lot of soup. Okay, now I'm gonna try the soup. I promise it's really good. Yummy. See? Ooh, goodness. Oh, the noodles. The everlasting noodles. Try the noodles.
What kind of noodle? Ano pala yan? That's egg noodles.
Egg noodles, yeah.
That is good.
Usually you can pick any kind of noodles you want for your soup. But this one's good. I like egg noodles. Nice and skinny. There's one that you can pick a fat one, but skinny is better. Delicious. And then you'll eat this chunky, fatty beef.
Alright, ayoko. Look at what
Yeah,
There's
look at that.
another one.
There's a shrimp. Thank you. There's another one. Oh my god.
Shrimp.
This one they call it jumbo shrimp. Oh, no spicy stuff. What if we order like this big chunk of
There's
onion?
another one.
Yeah, before they just have this chunk onion and oh, sorry. Yeah, but this is spicy. Okay.
Okay, try this is our favorite. Try
Oh,
the
this
rice.
is the number one fried rice. What's in it?
It's seafood fried rice.
Seafood fried rice.
It's really good. It costs $32 for that fried rice.
But believe me, once you try it, you always want to order this. There you
And
go.
then see, put it.
Yeah, look how it's look like. There's like a red
Look at that.
dot there.
See, there is a sprinkle with the fish fat or something. Try the vegetable.
Which one?
And then try the shrimp.
Oh, the shrimp. Look how big is the shrimp. Humongous one.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yummy. I'm gonna have a bite. Look how fat it is.
Wow.
Yummy. Come and join us.
Enjoy your food.
Thank you.
So, ako naman ang mag-pre-pre test ng food. So. Sabaw. Yummy. Masarap yung sabaw nila, parang malalasahan mo talaga yung ano ng beef. Itong sabaw ay yung soup is $18. At saka yung vegetable po ay mga $22 vegetable. Ayan. This is Chinese broccoli. At saka itong shrimp is $32.
Jumbo shrimp.
Kaya kailangan nyo mag-prepare ng $100 dito sa, para makakain kayo dito sa Lotus Niagara Casino. Dahil masarap naman talagang pagkain. Kaya sulit. This is Canadian dollar, it's not US dollar, okay? So, sana sa Casino Niagara Falls View Casino tayo. Kaya, itatry namin sa ulit. Sana maabangan yung aming bagong ibang episode ng restaurant dito sa casino. Para itatry natin lahat para at least sulit. Salamat po! Okay. Ayan ako ng rice. Sarap ng rice. Sobra. Grabe. May shrimp na itong rice. May dala na siyang shrimp. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng ulam. Sarap. Very good. So, lalabas kami ng casino. Labas na siya. May dagdipit na take out. Ayan. Casino. Ha? Libreng pop dito. Libreng pop dito sa casino. Yan, libre yan. Libreng kape. Kuha kami ng kape. Di muna. That's mine.
Black lang. Ayan.
No, I want cream. One with milk. Yeah. Ayan, libre kape. In-overtake ka. Ayan, libre kape, libre tea. Yeah, if you guys... Pababa na kami.
Going down to Niagara Falls. You guys gonna see Niagara Falls. Down we go. There it is. You can see it. Slowly.
Shaky.
It's too shaky. Today is Saturday, so look like it's not as busy.
Oh, it's gonna rain.
Look like it's gonna rain. See the falls over there. I won't be able to see it much because we're driving. I'm not driving, but I'm looking. It's hard to see it. Oh, there it is. A little bit there. Yeah, that's a car. Beautiful sky and half cloudy.
Saka mo kunan mamaya pag
It's over there. Look. Yeah, that's the one. That's Canadian side, and this is the US side. I think the best one is Canadian Falls. The other side, because in the other side in Canadian side it's like horseshoe. Meanwhile, the US is just straight flat. Canadian, look how big it is. More people. Okay, this is the US Falls. Yep. Yeah. And now we're going to Niagara on the Lake. This is the US side. You can see the bridge. A lot of people crossing. But yeah, they cross. Over there, you can see there's like a sky. Is it skyline? How do you say it? Yeah, that's the bridge. US and Canadian going to US bridge. And going again to Niagara on the Lake. It's on the way. Bye. Tayo last na eh. Yung pinakamaganda yun.
titingnan namin yung mga puno dito sa ano, yung cherry blossom. Yan.
Rich! I'm too short to reach it. There's another one there.
Okay. Say hi. Oh, ayan po. Yan. Napunta kami dito sa Niagara Park.
Yes.
Ang laki ng lugar. Pwede kayong mag-park dito, kumain ng picnic. Libre lang, libre. Every Saturday po. Pag summer, maganda dito. So, sa Niagara Park, we pass ng flower clock. Ayan.
We're at the shopping mall in, what do you call this mall?
Another one.
Canada One. There's it, Canada One. This is around Niagara Falls in Landis Lane. If you guys want to go shopping while you're, see, they have all the brand. Well, not all the brand. Malikot.
So, ito naman ay yung ito yung Landis Lane, Canada One, yung outlet store nila. So, dito may Guess, ayan. May Laura, saka Skechers. So, nilipat kasi nila yung outlet sa ibang location, kaya medyo kunti na lang dito ang going on. Pero marami pa rin pupunta kapag weekend. Ayan. Hello guys. Franny, nandito, hanggang dito na lang ang aming vlog. So, sana please don't forget to subscribe. Ako si Linlin at ito naman si
Ako po ay si Chris.
si Chris. Yan. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo dun sa aming munting vlog na kahit konting panahon ay napakita namin sa inyo ang aming kung ano yung
Tahanan.
anong kinain namin doon sa Pulse View Casino. So, sa next time papakita naman namin yung pang American food or Canadian food naman para makita ninyo kung anong
difference.
Anong different. So may Chinese doon saka Canadian food.
Okay.
Ingat po kayo.
Bye-bye.
Sana mag-subscribe kayo.
Subscribe and like.
Thank you. Ayan po, pauwi na kami sa aming bahay. Salamat, nag-enjoy sana kayo doon sa aming vlog. At sana masubaybayan nyo kami. Paki-comment below kung ano pang mga location dito sa Niagara Falls, Ontario. Ang gusto nyong makita at anong mga gusto nyong malaman, kung saan masarap kumain, saan pupuntang location na maganda, kung saan mag-check-in ng mura, ganon. Comment below para malaman ko kung anong gusto nyong malaman tungkol dito sa Niagara Falls. Ang pagkaalam ko ay ang Niagara Falls ay pag summer ay may pumupunta na 10,000 people a day all over the world. So iba-ibang taong pupunta dito. So may taga Pilipinas, taga Europe, taga America, taga Saudi Arabia, taga India, taga lahat ng lugar ng mundo. Asian, mga Japanese, Korean, gano'n. Maraming pupunta dito. Kaya sana kung sinong may balak magpunta dito sa Niagara Falls, let me know kung ano ang gusto nyong malaman tungkol dito, para alam namin kung ano ang maituturo at mapayo namin sa inyo kung saan ang mas mura. Salamat po. Ingat kayo. Thank you.